Recently, I created a blog and I needed AdSense approval on it to get my blog ready for the ads. After waiting for some days, I got a mail from AdSense that reads no publisher content and second, Google served ads on screen without publisher content. Both mails are for the same reason that the site quality is low and it needs to be improved. Let us see the factors that can make our blog better than the previous version and the AdSense must verify this. As you can see on your screen, there are few regions that AdSense has given to me. There are 4 regions. First, policy tips for creating high quality sites, part 1 and part 2, and then webmaster and AdSense program policies are mentioned there. So first we will see without content or with low value content. What is a low value content website? A website that has repetitive content, means like you are making many videos on earning tips or blog with same content, like you are copying or just copy paste something and put it on your blog, and it will be called a low value content, or this will be called without content when you don't put enough content on your per post. Like there are some criteria. Some says that there must be minimum 1000 words and minimum 30 blog post according to blogger. Second reason for rejection is that your site is under construction. What is under construction website? When you make a website, it is under process, that you are adding more and more pages and you are working on your post, you are regularly changing it. Like one day you put something and second day you erase it and completely change it. Like this type of website will be called as under construction, or under construction will be considered when there is a 404 error in your website. Then third one says that are used for alerts, navigation or other behavioral purpose. What is alerts? When you give some alert that asks for deny and allow, when person allows and you send notification, it will be called alerts. Hope this video helps you to solve this issue that says no publisher content, and after fixing these qualities I got a mail that reads congratulations, your account is now fully approved.